Hello, my name is Simon from QuickTrust. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our KwikSign platform to make a record of intellectual property. That could be anything. It could be copyright, it could be designs for a new widget you've created, piece of music, audio file, video file, anything that you want to protect and prove that you created it on a particular date and time, and also connect it to your identity as the inventor. So I'll give you an example. Let me just take you through how that would work. I've got a folder here on my desktop already, so I'm going to add a new file. I'm going to upload it onto the platform. So I've created it and called it Simon's Super Secret Designs. I'll give it a file name. So design P. File category. It's a piece of intellectual property, so I'll record it as intellectual property. It's sitting within this project. I'm not going to put an expiry date on it because it doesn't expire. I just want to create a date and timestamp on the blockchain to show that I've created it on this particular date. File description, and I'll upload it. Now, it's just me who's going to check and validate this today, but if I had created this and I also wanted to share it with my IP lawyer, for example, I can do that. In that case, my IP lawyer could look at it, and he or she could also validate it as well and say, yes, I saw this design on this date. It was created by Simon, and they can also make a record on the blockchain to say that they've seen it, which you can use in the future, obviously. So now that I've uploaded it, please validate. I'm not going to put a physical signature on this because all I want to do is put a date and timestamp on the blockchain to show when I've created it. So I'm just going to validate the authenticity. I'm not going to add any other recipients. As I said before, that could be my IP lawyer or somebody else who I might have co-created this invention with. So I'm going to sign. I'll click continue. And I'll just show you what happens next, and I'll show you the record on the blockchain so you can see how it's recorded. So my document's been sent. I've called it Design P. So I want to go in and validate that. So I'm just going to add my name, and then you'll see how that's recorded on the blockchain. Tick the box, click approve. File's been approved. So what I can see now is the blockchain record, and that's what we want, of course. So if I open this section here, I can view the certificate. It will show me this information when it's been uploaded, and most importantly, it will show me my email address, the signatory hash, my IP. I haven't commented on it, but you can see it's been signed. It's been verified, which means my identity has been verified, which I'd actually done before, and you can see the date and time, etc. So all of that information exists there. It can be downloaded. It is a record on the blockchain, so it stands up to scrutiny, and it also exists within the system. So if I want to view the file or even download the file, I can keep it within the platform or download a copy later on, but you'll see that it exists here as a viewable, accessible file, and it's recorded on the blockchain, of course. So I'm just going to open it one more time so you can see it's there. 3, 2, 1. There's a bit more time. There we go. And that's it. That's how you can use KwikSign to record any form of intellectual property, put a date and timestamp on it, show it was created by you, show what date it was created, and that is verifiable, and it's an audit trail as well if you ever need to prove in the future that it's your design, you own it, you made it. That's it. Thanks for watching.